Hey everyone, Roger here, just with a quick message. Wanted to extend a personal invitation to you to check out our upcoming Ninja installation. I'm sure you've seen the emailers that have gone out from both myself and Mike Dodge about this. It's going to be a phenomenal event. It's June 2nd through the 5th, which is a Tuesday through a Friday. 4 days of very valuable training on the Ninja selling process, which actually is all about not selling, but rather attracting business. On day one, we're going to talk about the brain, how the brain works, and how to get your mindset prepared so you can focus on the personal and business goals that are important to you. On day two, we're going to talk about staying in flow with your customers through something known as the Ninja 9, which is a powerful system to generate referrals and business from the people that you already know. On day three, we're going to cover the 16-step seller process, the listing presentation process. Tremendously valuable information there. And then on day four, we're going to go through the 10-step buyer process. All of these items are going to be, or all of these topics, I should say, are going to be tremendously valuable. I know a lot of ninjas. I've been through a Ninja Institute previously. I would say it's one of the best trainings that I have been in personally in 33 years of doing this. And every ninja that I know considers the investment of both time and money to be very well spent. Everyone has gotten more than their money back many times over in what they've learned. So I highly encourage you to take a look. I'm very proud to say that right now our office has 3 of us going, myself and 2 of the agents. I'd love to see that number grow. If you have any questions about it, please let me know. I'd be happy to talk to you and give you some greater insights on what to expect and how it can benefit you. So please take a look at the information. Let me know if you have any questions, and sign up if you'd like to register. We'd love to have you. Thank you.